Okay, let's start talking some weather, everybody. Partly sunny skies we've had, I would say, overall today. Seems as though more clouds have arrived recently, but still breaks for sunshine out there, and I think that'll be the case right on through a sundown at 6:30 on the nose today. So these days are getting shorter, and the sunrise is waiting until a really long time now, after about 8:20. That'll become about 7:20 on Sunday morning as we turn those clocks back in just a few days. 46 degrees we've got on the thermometer, a very light wind, if anything, out there out of the west or northwest, at most about 5 miles per hour. And dew points, a measure of the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere, those have been way down there this week, signifying this chilly atmosphere. A dew point of 25 degrees. Any flurries and sprinkles that we've noticed the past, say, 48 hours or so, those seem to have gone by the wayside. Can't really rule out a sprinkle or a flurry near the lakeshore here this evening and overnight, but absolutely nothing that would be causing any problems out there as we trickle these temperatures back into the middle 30s, middle to upper 30s there by 11, 12 o'clock tonight. We'll settle back to about 34, I would think, for an overnight low in Grand Rapids. So I've been mentioning some warmer times ahead. That is still on the docket here. 50 degrees for Friday, technically below normal. The average high for tomorrow is 52. Get to 54 on Saturday, then rise into the lower 60s I've got for Sunday and Monday, right about 60 on Tuesday. Perhaps a little bit of a cooler phase here on Wednesday. There may actually be two systems that we're tracking. The first one quite weak, but could produce a shower or two there later Tuesday night into Wednesday. Behind that, a little bit cooler on Wednesday. And then ahead of the next system that arrives at some point later Thursday into Friday, we may actually get a surging of milder air one more time that could take us into the upper 50s to lower 60s, depending on the track of that system. That's still about 7 days away. And this is for week 2 of the forecast period, days 8 through 14, showing a little bit of a cooler hint here over the eastern United States, but that is in between two warmer lobes out to the west and east. So overall across the country, this is not a barbaric November pattern that is to produce any big snows anytime soon. Dip in the jet stream has kept us cool recently. That is going to ease off to the north into Ontario and allow for some of that milder and warmer air down in the southwest United States and western United States to roll on in here. It looks like by later Saturday into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Still, the rain and snow showers that we saw, pretty light, nothing too significant the last few days. Those more so centered over Ontario at this point. We've just got these clouds that are scattered out and about. Looks more ominous on that infrared satellite imagery than actually being materialized out there today. We've had a fair amount of spells of sunshine. Temperatures in the middle 40s. We've maxed out. That was our high today, 46 in Grand Rapids. That's our highest point that I've seen off of the National Weather Service observations. Winds are light, between about calm and 5 miles per hour. Feels like temperatures necessarily not too bad because we don't have much air motion, and temperatures tonight dropping into the middle 30s. Here's this model. This graph model has some scattered clouds around. You'll notice there are breaks in the clouds, though. So call it partly to occasionally mostly cloudy overnight. More clouds start to gather once again. And again, maybe a sprinkle, but by tomorrow afternoon, should be a good deal of sunshine as these temperatures rise to around 50 degrees. And look at this, to near 60 plus Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Maybe a shower later Tuesday, perhaps another shower at some point later Thursday. I've got more coming up.